Hi everyone, welcome back to Canadian Taxes with Palak. My name is Palak. I hope you guys are doing good. In the previous video, we've already discussed how to set up your CRA account and why it is very important to always have your CRA account up to date. In this video, I will walk you through the CRA account. I will show you all the information that you can get and where you can get that information, especially your NOAs, your tax returns, your RRSP, FHSA, TFSA limits. I would recommend you watching that video first so that you have an idea of setting up your CRA account if you haven't done it already. And now let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm just gonna log in into my CRA account and then I'll show you all the information that we can get. Okay, so I've logged into my CRA account. You can see there are two accounts here. The first one is my personal account and the second one is my CRA Rep ID account. That is for my business. I have my Rep ID through which I represent my clients. We're not going to go into that. We're just going to focus on the personal one. So once you go into your CRA My Account, this is how it will look like. This is just the overview. You will have your refund amount and it will also show when your refund was deposited to your bank account. If it is supposed to be deposited in the future, they'll also give you a date that it will be deposited on. If you just scroll down, you have your benefits and credits, your savings and pension plans. So if you take a look at the left part, you have your profile. So if you ever want to update your marital status, you want to update your address, your direct deposit information, this is where you do it. Okay, you go into your profile, you scroll down, you have your marital status, you can just edit it. Let's say you got married on June 20th, right? So you just edit it and then say you got married on June 20th. Okay, you can also change your phone number, direct deposit information, and then authorized representatives too. That we will be focusing in the next video. Okay, so this is all about the profile part. If you ever want to make any changes, you can just go to your account, go to profile and make those changes. Below that, you will see tax returns. So if you click on tax returns, you will basically see all the tax returns for your previous years. So you won't be really looking at the whole tax return, the whole T1 copy, but this is like a summary of your tax return and they will give you the main line items that you filed with your tax return. So I came here in Canada in 2021. So I can see all my 2021 to 2025 tax returns which have been assessed. You have all your tax returns here. For example, if I want to look at my tax return for 2022, okay, so I will just go here, I'll say expand all. This shows my employment income, my total income, deductions, net income, my taxable income, the CPP deducted and everything. Basically, it gives you a summary of all the line items that you reported with your tax return. If you ever want your tax return for some verification purposes, you can always go here and download it. The easier method is to download your NOA, Notice of Assessment. NOA is CRA telling you that we have assessed your return. It's basically saying that, okay, we have accepted your return and this is your summary. Okay, and then we go to accounts and payments. This is where you see your income tax balance. If you have any payable, it will show you the payable amount here. If you don't have anything, if you had a refund and they paid it to you, you'll get a zero here. It is usually for people who have payable and then let's say you have 10,000 of payable, right? And you don't want to like make the whole payment right now and you set up a payment plan with CRA. I'll explain you how to do that in the future videos. But here, if you have any payment plan, that will also be available here. So the next part is benefits and credits. So this section basically gives you all the benefits and credits that you are eligible for. It shows you what you're eligible for and what payments you will be getting in the future with the exact dates. So let's say I want to look at Canada grocery benefit, which was previously known as GST HST benefit. So if I want to take a look at that and I want to understand what all payments I will be getting, so I will just go to payments and then it will show me here. See, on July 3rd, 2026, I got a payment of 169.75, which has been issued. The next payment will be October 5, 2026, which will be again of 169.75, which is expected in October. Okay, so this is how they give you exact dates and then show you what you will be getting in the future. Okay, so this is how you can actually look at all the payments that you will be receiving. So because I'm only eligible for GST HST credit, which is now known as Canada grocery benefit and Ontario Trillium benefit. I only have these payments here, but if you're also eligible for, let's say, child benefit, disability tax credit, you will see all the benefits and all the payments here. Okay, you just have to go to that specific account and take a look at your payments and when you will be receiving that. And that's it for today's video, guys. I understand I haven't really completed the video yet. It's a very long video. I don't want it to be too long for you guys, so that's why I'm breaking it down in 2 videos. This is the first part. I do have a next part where I'm explaining the RRSP, FHSA and TFSA deduction limits that you can see. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. I am trying to build a community here of people who want to understand taxes on the base level. I'm not here to educate, but like, I'm just here to simplify Canadian taxes for you all. I love studying about all these things and I'm just sharing my knowledge. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, take care.